we're back here at Harley-Davidson Cycles, Black Hills, Harley-Davidson, referred to as the Rally at exit 55, outside of Rapid City, South Dakota. Thousands of people, thousands of motorcycles. This is part of Black Hawk Harley-Davidson bikes that are for sale. As you can see, they have tentfuls of them here, all for sale. So if you need to buy a motorcycle, this is the place to come. Every make, model, and shape. As we scroll down there, you can just see them lined up, one after another. Thousands of them. Customized 107s. The 114, fully dressed out, ready to go. Simple little bobbers. Just what everybody needs. The Bumblebee, ready to roll with all these other lineups of the Harley-Davidsons here at Black Hawk Harley-Davidson. Even have the 114 Orange Pumpkin at Harley. Customized little scooter, another 114. And of course, if you want a trike, you can get a trike right here. And another fully customized Harley. Beautiful looking bike. And when all else fails, another trike. This machine is pending sale. And as we just swing around, you've got a lot of tents, people, suppliers, equipment, leathers, arms, everything outside of the Harley-Davidson store here. And we even got some antiques here. Early 1930s. And this is what we're going to look like after 10 days in Sturgis. Of course, you could buy your hats, your patches, everything you could possibly get here in Sturgis. Incredible little pet shop they got here. Anything and everything. Unbelievable. And just thousands of patches here. Get your flags, flag mounts, gel pads. Repair your Harley here. Buy the accessories and put it on the Harley. Here's a great King Nothing. Beautiful motorcycle. Check that out. A little customized speedster right here. Extreme performance. And we're here at Covington's Customs. All customized bikes they build. Absolutely gorgeous. All for sale. Big price tags, $90,000. Beautiful machines. All from Covington's Customs motorcycles. And a absolutely gorgeous machine. Covington's Customs. Check out the artwork in that. This machine started out as a 23 Road Glide. A few additives, a lot of extras, and a little stretch work. Beautiful workmanship. And that will go in that. Number 69. And they actually have the Vanderhalls here, which are the auto cycles. Kind of cool. Available for demo if you want to take one out. And if you're looking for accessories for your motorcycle, this is a Honda Goldwing, a new one. Every type of accessory you could name is on this motorcycle. The cost of the accessories is probably more than the cost of the bike when they get done with this. Absolutely incredible what they've done with this. This is a Honda Goldwing. Check it out here at the accessory store. Everything in the book here, and then some. And in the middle of all these motorcycles, we have a Westgate Resorts NASCAR. Go figure, number 23. And as we make our way to the parking lot here at the Harley-Davidson Black Hills, thousands of motorcycles out here. Problem is we got to find ours. Thousands of bikes lined up. And we're getting ready to be heading back to our home base in Sturgis at the Big Rig RV Park. So come join us, follow, click like, subscribe, and we got a lot more to come. Enjoy, everybody, from Sturgis, South Dakota, 2023.